I don't want to fight this anymore. I give in to the pleasure. I surrender.